Hey everyone, this is Ashley from Fun ATV. Just hopping on real quick to give you a how-to video. I just want to go over how to start the KAYO 125 bulls so you can have it up and running in time for Christmas. First thing you want to do is make sure you have your fuel line on. It needs to be on the on position. You need to make sure that that kill switch right there is not engaged. If it's in the middle, it's not engaged. And you need to make sure the unlock button is hit on your key fob. Make sure it is unlocked. To start the unit, we're going to turn the key to the on position. It's in neutral. We're going to choke our unit, so we're going to pull this choke out. And then from there, you would hold the brake. You can use the left-hand brake or the right-hand brake, whichever is easier for you, whichever one you prefer. You're going to hold that brake and push this black start button right here. From there, you're just gonna push that choke in and you are ready to go. I hope y'all have a very Merry Christmas. If y'all have any questions, y'all call us at Fun ATV.